Hi, I'm Michelle Bogosian from the Camera Shop in Bryn Mawr. A few of you have reached out to me asking how can I up my video conferencing game? So here are a few tips. Tip 1, you want to go ahead and grab a shoebox to elevate your computer and be sure that your computer isn't sitting too far back. Only your ENT really wants to look up your nose. Tip 2, if you're using a phone, you want to get yourself a good quality phone clamp with a tripod adapter. Don't skimp here. Now's not the time to see that your phone's going to take a dive during a video call. Here I'm using a small tabletop tripod with an adjustable ball head and phone clamp. The holder's 35 and the tripod's 30. Tip 3, lighting, lighting, lighting. Video needs lots of light. Backlighting, bad. Overhead lighting, bad. Low lighting, really bad. One thing that you may want to consider is that if you are streaming live and your light is bad, there's no going back to correct it. What's there is there, and that's what's going out the door. So here I'm using a front LED adjustable light panel. It has so much packed into the great price of $179. It comes with this cool case, shoe mount adapter, light stand adapter, remote, AC cord, battery, and charger for when you're on location. All you need is a light stand, and the one that I'm using here is 65. This is ideal for tight spots, but it can be adjusted with a wide footprint for windy conditions when you're outside, and it folds down quite small. Next, let's look at the 2-light setup. That's what I'm using right here to shoot this video. If you really want to be serious about this, you're going to want to up your game, and you want to make sure that you have 2 lights to evenly light you. So if you're consistently creating videos, webinars, or tutorials, or you just want to look great, then you really want to get 2 lights. Here I'm using a light kit with an adjustable light intensity that can even be color temperature controlled. It includes 2 lights, 2 stands, AC adapters, and a case for $6.99. Tip 4, remember what your background looks like. Make sure that what is behind you is what you want the world to see. Here we have a background kit with a backdrop, stand, and bag with a sweet price for $100. It's available in black, white, gray, or green screen that allows you to drop in different backgrounds, like just here. See here, I'm really not in my office. One last thing, make sure you grab a lens cloth, clean off your laptop lens or your phone or camera lens. I'm seeing this on major networks making this huge mistake, and it makes such a difference having a clean lens. All of these things are available on our website for shipping or curbside pickup. These are just a few options. We have many more here at the Camera Shop in Bryn Mawr. Just give us a call. We're happy to make you look good and make your life a little bit easier. If you'd like to hear about more tips, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Be safe, be healthy, and take care.